Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks. It is Sunday, November 10th at 10:24 in the morning. Welcome to my channel, Relearning to Draw After 55, and today we are drawing a chipmunk. So we are still in How to Draw Woodland Animals in Simple Steps by Susie Hodge, and there's a link to this in the description. So drawing the chipmunk was fun. It didn't quite come out how I wanted it to, but it did bring back some memories. I remember going on a trip, and I live in southwest Missouri. We went out west to visit my sister, and I guess we were camping along the way. I was pretty young, and we were up in the Rocky Mountains somewhere, and my brother and I were walking around, as you do in the woods, and there was a little chipmunk on the ground, and it was just sitting there. So of course, country boy, I reached down and picked it up by its tail, and bit me right there. So yeah, that was traumatizing a little bit. Not too horrible, but I never did hate chipmunks. I actually really like them. Growing up, Alvin and the Chipmunks, I got a record player, which probably cost all of $10, and I got an Alvin and the Chipmunks Christmas record with it, and I thought it was the best thing in the world, and everybody should like it. So I was playing it as loud as I could, telling everybody, listen to this, and I bet that I was the most hated kid in the house at that moment. So yeah, there's my two chipmunk stories, and they're cute. So I don't know if I got the face right. I didn't get much shading in on it. I don't know if I was in a hurry or what, but it was alright. Yeah, as I was drawing it, I was remembering the Colorado chipmunk and that disastrous episode. Again, pick up a hobby. If you're not into drawing, but into crafts, do a little bit each day. It does help relax and calm. So here is my finished product. We'll call the chipmunk done, and we'll see you another day.